Hello, so in this video I want to show you how to add a poll to your LinkedIn post. So the first thing you want to do is go to view profile and you scroll down and click on create a post. And here just write a short text. So I write, hey everyone, please answer this poll. And the second thing you want to do is click on the plus here and then you click on create a poll. And then you need to enter your question you want for your poll. And for my poll, it's when do you wake up? And if you go down, you have the section for your different options. So the first option I want is 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. And I want some more options, so I click on add option and 9 a.m. and add another option and at 10 a.m. And the last thing you can do for your poll is how long the poll's duration should be. And for my poll, it should be 1 week. So I click on 1 week and then I click on done. And here you can see your poll is included on your LinkedIn post. So when you're satisfied, you just click on post or schedule it for later.